Have you ever wondered if your Tesla could change colors? It's a question that's been buzzing around the electric vehicle community for a while now. Some say it's just a rumor, while others claim it's a feature that's just around the corner. So, let's dive into the world of Tesla and find out if color-changing cars are a reality or just a futuristic fantasy. Tesla has always been at the forefront of automotive innovation. From self-driving capabilities to cutting-edge battery technology, the company has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. So, it's not entirely surprising that the idea of color-changing cars would be associated with Tesla. But is it really feasible? Technical feasibility. To understand whether Tesla could actually create color-changing cars, we need to explore the underlying technology. One potential method is the use of electrochromic materials. These materials can change color when a voltage is applied to them. Think of it like a mood ring, but for your car. Another possibility is the use of tiny LEDs embedded in the paint. By controlling the intensity and color of these LEDs, you could effectively change the perceived color of the car. While this technology is more complex, it offers greater flexibility and control over the color-changing process. Tesla's stance. So far, Tesla hasn't officially confirmed or denied the possibility of color-changing cars. However, given the company's history of innovation and its focus on pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it's certainly not out of the realm of possibility. Consumer demand. Of course, the feasibility of color-changing cars is one thing, but consumer demand is another. Would people actually want a car that could change color? While some might find it gimmicky, others could see it as a fun and unique way to personalize their vehicle. Potential benefits. Beyond the novelty factor, color-changing cars could have practical benefits. For example, they could be used to blend in with different environments or to signal intent to other drivers. They could also be used to create mood-enhancing experiences, especially for those who suffer from seasonal affective disorder. Challenges and limitations. However, there are also challenges and limitations to consider. For example, color-changing cars could be more expensive to manufacture and maintain. Additionally, there may be concerns about the long-term durability of the color-changing technology. So, does Tesla change color? While we can't say for sure at this point, the technology certainly exists to make it possible. Whether or not Tesla will ever offer color-changing cars remains to be seen. But one thing is clear, the future of automotive design is full of exciting possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.